Welcome to my channel. These products are very high quality on my channel. I've been working on Amazon's best products for a long time. Of course you will like. Check the description box. Please subscribe to my channel. Number 1. Tip Carbon Wallpaper Smoothing Tool Wallpaper Kit Wallpaper Tools. A basic but versatile toolkit help you on wallpaper application, trimming, sealing, woodwork or baseboard projects. Vinyl wrap, window tint or glass film. Red squeegee tool with big size. Smooths out creases and bubbles, extremely helpful when wrapping large flat surfaces. Medium hardness blue squeegee with nice size, is simple to use. Felt can effectively prevent scratches. Number 2. Art3d Smoothing Tool Kit for applying peel and stick wallpaper. Package includes craft art knife with 5 replaceable blades, red smoother, blue smoother with soft felt, measuring tape. Red and blue squeegee work well when smoothing out bubbles, creases and gaps. These tools can help you creating a seamless and professional look for your project. Suitable for application of all types of wallpaper and stick on vinyl, backsplash tile, trimming, sealing, woodwork or baseboard projects. Vinyl wrap, window tint or glass film. Number 3. Wallpaper Smoothing Tool Kit with Squeegee Smoother. Package 1x big red squeegee, 1x blue squeegee, 1x knife, 5x knife blades, 1x measure tape 5 feet long, 1x big edge tool, 1x blue paste brush, 1x green brush, 1x seam roller. The Wallpaper Smoothing Tool Kit covers all necessary tools for installation or removal. Wallpapering can be a more complex task than you imagine. Having right wallpaper kit will make it far simple and hang your peel and stick wallpaper with ease. You will find a wonderful wallpaper tools for peel and stick application. Number 4. Art3d Wallpaper Smoothing Tool Kit Wallpaper. Versatile wallpaper smoothing tool kit. Suitable for application of all types of wallpaper, help you on wallpaper application, trimming, sealing, woodwork or baseboard projects. Vinyl wrap, window tint or glass film. 10 Wallpaper Smoothing Brush. The green wallpaper brush has an ergonomically designed handle and a large amount of bristles, even in thickness, and comfortable to use, which is a good helper for your construction. And the handle can be hung up to save more space when the job is done. Number 5. Evanescence Wallpaper Remover Kit Bundle. Wallpaper Stripper Scraper Remover Tool and 122 Oz bottle of liquid wallpaper remover from industry trusted brands that make even the toughest wallpaper easily removable. Perfect for any job. This bundle gives you the tools you need to tackle any wallpaper removal or replacement, whether it be stripping, peeling, or trimming paper, vinyl, embossed, stick and peel, or textured wallpapers.